In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Big Picture Mode. If Big Picture Mode isn't launching, freezes on a black screen, or feels unresponsive. The good news is that a simple refresh usually brings it back to life. We'll start with the quickest fix and then move to a slightly deeper cleanup that clears out temporary files, all while keeping your games and settings safe. Begin by restarting Steam. Don't just close the window, make sure you fully quit the app. On desktop, open the Steam menu and choose Exit, or right-click the Steam icon in your system tray and select Quit. This ensures Steam shuts down completely instead of running quietly in the background. Giving it a clean exit helps reset processes that Big Picture Mode relies on. Once Steam is closed, go ahead and reopen it. After it loads, but try launching Big Picture Mode again. You can find it by clicking the controller icon near the top right of the Steam window, or by opening the View menu and selecting Big Picture Mode. If the issue was just a minor hiccup, this restart often does the trick and you'll be back to navigating with a controller in no time. If Big Picture Mode still isn't cooperating, the next step is to clear the download cache. This removes temporary files that can become corrupted or stale and interfere with updates, downloads, and interface elements. Open Steam and head to Settings, then choose the Download section. In there, click Clear Download Cache. Steam will let you know that it needs to restart afterward, which is expected. When the cache is cleared, Steam will close and reopen, and you may be prompted to sign back in. If that's normal, just make sure you use your own account details and keep them private. After Steam restarts, the download system has a fresh start, which often resolves stubborn big picture issues tied to half-finished updates or broken temporary files. From here, you should find that Big Picture Mode behaves normally again and launches reliably. To recap the flow you followed, fully close Steam, reopen it, and try Big Picture Mode. If that didn't resolve the issue, clear the download cache from Settings under Downloads, then let Steam restart. These steps are safe, quick, and fix the most common causes without touching your installed games or library. That's it. Simple, effective, and easy to repeat if the problem comes back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to a smooth big picture experience.